In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and deploy your first web application using Hostinger's Horizons platform. Now, this journey begins by making your way to the Hostinger website and logging into your account. You'll need your username and password handy, so make sure you've got those details ready. Once you're logged in, locating the Horizons section is your next move. It's a key component of the dashboard, and navigating there is quite straightforward. You'll find it by scanning through the main menu options. Think of Horizons as your workspace, your go-to tool for building and managing web applications with ease. It's designed to handle the complicated stuff behind the scenes, so you can focus on bringing your ideas to life without the hassle. As you enter this environment, you'll immediately notice the interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Now, the magic begins. This platform provides you with the capability to create powerful web apps. First, you'll set up your backend services. These are the engine of your app, powering its operations and handling data requests. You'll find options to configure your settings right there in the interface. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these options to ensure that all functions align with what you're aiming to achieve. Following that, you'll integrate databases. A well-structured database is like an organized library for your app, storing all the essential data that needs to be retrieved, updated, or inserted. Horizons makes adding databases an intuitive process. You just need to follow the prompts to set this up effectively. Again, it's important to look through the options available to customize this according to your app's specific needs. Once the backend and database are in place, it's time to focus on the front end. The front end is essentially the face of your application. It's what your users see and interact with. Hostinger's platform provides the tools needed to ensure your front end is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and responsive. Spend time crafting a user interface that truly enhances the user experience. Having pieced together these components, backend, database, and front end, you're ready to move on to deployment. Deployment is essentially the act of taking your app from a development or testing environment to a live production environment where users can access it. With Horizons, deploying your app is as smooth as possible. You can use the various deployment tools provided, which allow you to launch your application with just a few clicks. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you'll have successfully created and deployed a web application using Hostinger's Horizons platform. This powerful tool not only simplifies the process, but also enhances your ability to manage and scale your application. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your web development journey.